Manarola, one of the renowned Cinque Terre villages in the Liguria region on the Mediterranean coast, is among the most unique and stunning villages in all of Italy. Manarola is distinguished by its quaint little streets and vibrant homes perched atop a rocky bluff with views of the ocean. One of the most charming and romantic tourist spots in Italy due to its distinctive features and setting. Manarola is a part of the Cinque Terre, an area recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site because of its craggy coastline, charming villages, and vineyards. Though each of the Cinque Terre villages has a distinct charm of its own, Manarola is known for its jaw-dropping views, particularly at dusk when the vibrant houses appear to glow against the sea. Discover its winding lanes, savor locally farmed seafood at eateries, and take in the tranquil ambience of this charming coastal treasure are all available to visitors. Manarola gives visitors the opportunity to experience the real Italian coastal lifestyle in addition to its breathtaking natural beauty and idyllic setting. The hamlet is renowned for its mouth-watering regional fare, which includes dishes made with recently caught seafood and Ligurian specialties like pesto pasta. Aside from taking scenic hikes, visitors can enjoy breathtaking views of the rocky coastline and turquoise waters below by hiking along the coastal trails connecting the Cinque Terre villages. Manarola is renowned for its vineyards as well, which yield some of the best wines in the area, especially the sweet Ciacatra dessert wine. All things considered, Manarola offers visitors an incredible fusion of culinary delights, cultural experiences, and breathtaking natural beauty. In conclusion, Manarola is a stunning illustration of the elegance and charm of Italian villages. Travelers looking for a true Italian experience should not miss it because of its vibrant homes perched on cliffs overlooking the Mediterranean Sea, excellent food options, and exploration opportunities. Every visitor to Manarola is guaranteed to leave with priceless memories, whether they are exploring its winding streets, indulging in the region's specialties, or taking in its breathtaking scenery.